Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Indaba Zabantu Abagu Entertainment Space. People that we are scared of because they've got money and we currently do not. I want to talk about Owami from the O Entertainment, right? Owami made a video. Yoguti, okay, everything that I'm going to say, it's alleged because Bazalan, I do not have money and I do not have the strength to go on a court case of defamation of character for 4 full years. I cannot. But yeah, guys, Owami and Ulin have been on a court case type of situation, right? On a video that Owami made that might have been deleted or adjusted or whatever. And that's why I'm going to say this is alleged because I do not have the video currently. I'm trying to look for it and I want to save it so that when she comes for me with her lawyers, at least I've got a leg to stand on. In that video, she's saying she's going to the third lawyers, a third law firm, just to push this defamation case and right. I'm also thinking, Guti, if it was me, I would think that this is a sign to say other things, let go and let God. Because she's a woman that believes she's God's favorite child, right? So somewhere, somehow, you need to let go and let this God do for you, right? Why am I saying that? It's been 4 years, according to Lynn, because Ulin did a video, and I love that Ulin does not mind to say, hey, based on the videos that she makes, because she understands she has put herself there. She has put herself in a compromising situation where Big Guy told her his story. And for me, I think for as long as Big Guy and Lynn seem to be happy, Owami will not let it go. But sometimes people, you see them happy because you are not letting go of the anger or the issues that you have with them. Sometimes it's not necessarily because they are being happy or whatever, but it's because of you are monitoring what's happening. And the reason why I'm saying you are monitoring is because allegedly Owami made a video, some sort of a statement. You said I am childless, I cannot have children, but years later you still don't have children with the woman that you're dating. And this, we all assumed that she was alluding to Big Guy because we know Big Guy is the only man that she has ever gotten married to, according to us. We might be wrong. But to me, when she addresses ex-husband, it will always be Big Guy because Big Guy, I know him as the ex-husband ka Owami. Right, sharp, fine. Now girl is updating Uguti. She's still continuing with that lawsuit. She's still going to do what needs to be done. And I mean, when I'm seated, guys, I know it does not affect me. Maybe I'm speaking from a place of privilege or a place in the air out because it does not affect me personally. But it makes her, according to me, seem like she's a person that number one often would. She wants to have the last talk when you go to right? And because at this point she's not the one having the last talk, she's going to drag it until Jesus comes back just to prove a point. Mina, I would want her to let it go as much as she decided to go. She's going to let the Lungelo thing go, and I think with the Lungelo thing go, she let it go because of she knew, even then Doisile issue, she knew that there is a certain community that's going to attack because based on the comments and the nationalities that she wanted to state. So I think those ones she let it go because she knows Uguti, some of my fans are going to be hurt because of this, and I do not want to do that. Because one thing about Owami, she's smart when it comes to her bag. Ugo is smart when it comes to her bag, and she knows when to not tamper with it, or she knows when to say, Uguti, this I need to keep intact and no one needs to play on it. Hence, Ugo, you will never see her doing unnecessary battles on TikTok. Even if impi iqala ku TikTok, Ugo uzoyiqedelela ku Facebook. I mean ku TikTok, ku YouTube rather. Noma ingaqala ku Facebook bathi iqale ku TikTok iqale kuphi, she will always bring it here because the Ndoisile one, I think it started on Insta or on Twitter, but it landed Where? On YouTube. Why? Because she knows ukuthi immediately when I make a video, people are gonna come running and wanting to hear ukuthi what am I saying. But I digress. I come back to the Lynn Kyle situation. With Lynn, I think ukuthi uOwami is seeing ukuthi she's not winning. Because you cannot move from 3 law firms in 4 years, and there's a reason why those lawyers are not willing to invest their time in this whole thing, because I'm telling you, everybody loves money. If I was a lawyer, I was going to string it along, like, so that I can get paid. Like, it's money. Owami has that money to pay those lawyers to show ulin ukuthi ngwana wena mfana bona awusilo pila, right? However, based on the disappointment of the law firms, Mina personally, I would let it go and give it to God. Because I get where she's standing, she believes Uguti Ulin is wrong. And we all know Uguti, we serve a just God. And God will always prove Uguti Ubanu or wrong, Ubanu or right. The truth shall always set a person free, and the truth will always be exposed. Hence they say Uguti Ogusebumnyame Nuguzovele Kanyin. What is in the dark will always come to light. So why is she not letting it go? I believe this is one of the things that are going to just depress her and let her be, I don't know what, but Ugo feels the need to always be right. Ugo feels the need to always prove a point. Ugo is back at Upromise Makunya. Imagine she's back at Upromise, and I'm like these videos are unnecessary. I think Ukuthi Owami is a bubbly person that is loved natural. Her content alone brings people to her on TikTok, right? She does not need another name to enhance her viewership or her followership or whatnot. She does not need to talk about these other people for her to be relevant. But Ugo finds a way to just put it in. I don't know, guys. Am I wrong? But when it comes to this, she did say Uguti, if it means Uguti Lynn must sell her child's bicycle and take away that child's happiness, she will do it. Allegedly, but it's in one of the videos that she made, right? And that's where she had a fall off with Uriki. When Uriki made a video to say it needs to stop somewhere. You cannot want to affect the child. Now the child must lose everything simply because a big guy made voice notes saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we all know, Basalan Kuti, it's big guy that was speaking. But Ulin has to be punished, because if you say something negative about Owami, the queen of YouTube, the only entertainment channel who everybody steals content from, who everybody competes with, you are in trouble. You are just in trouble. But for me, if she was my friend and I would advise her, I would say, Chomi, let this one go. You know your stand. You know they are lying. What is in the dark will be revealed into the light. Let go and let God. But this Lynn thing, it's going to if it drags for 10 years, I'm telling you, it's going to show and prove a point to everyone that girl never lets go. Girl never lets go of issues. Girl drags issues. Girl wants to be always right. And this is like, guys, you can never be always right. And I know Guti, we don't want to accept when we are wrong, but when you sit in the toilet nicely and you do your number 2, you will be able to reflect and understand Guti, at this point, this decision, this action, it's wrong. And I feel Uguti Owami feels that, and she sees that, but because she has already brought this thing into our attention, and her final words were, if it means Uguti, I take the child's bicycle, allegedly, then it will have to be that. But Mina, guys, angek, your fave, no, your fave needs to know where to draw the line, and your fave needs to know when to let issues go. She has won with Ulin, because Ulin said sorry. Ulin sent her text. Ulin did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that she showed us on her YouTube videos, right? So shouldn't that be enough? You were seeing Uguti when you've got power, should that not be enough? I'm just asking. But it's been 4 years. Third law firm. Yeke, and then uyeke nalega big guy ukuthi hey ubana kazali ubani uyazala, you are going to get married. by the grace of God and in God's time, in due season, and you're going to have your multiple children when you decide to have them, and then it will be shown ukuthi uphi guy uye bekabheda. You don't like in such instances, Owami, chill. You do not need to prove a point. And I'm out. This is your girl, Adisebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.